not the fan. That fan little bit come more forward, then you can get the okay. You have this song, Kobe Aha Gauranga Boliya. English?
Okay.
Kobe Aha Gauranga Boliya. Kobe.
Copy.
What do you give the
Page 54.
Kobe Aha Gauranga Boliya. Kobe Aha Gauranga Boliya. Kobe Aha Gauranga Boliya. Hare bhojan sayane dehero jatana hariba virapta hoya. Play harmonium. You can play harmonium.
Harmonium daw.
Oh bhojan sayane dehero jatana hariba virapta hoya. Navadip dhame nagare nagare Navadip dhame nagare nagare Navadip dhame nagare nagare Navadip dhame nagare nagare Abhiman pori hori Abhiman pori hori Ardham basi ghare madhur chori lava khaiba udar hori Ardham basi ghare madhur chori lava khaiba udar hori Ar nadi tate gya Anjali Anjali nadi tate gya Anjali Anjali Shiva Prabhu pada jala Shiva Prabhu pada jala Toru tole pori alasa tejiva Paiva surire bola Toru tole pori alasa tejiva Paiva surire bola चित्रधारी कृष्ण राधा बिहारी ज्योति जय श्री मदन हरि ज्योति जय जय नित्य लीला परिष्टम विष्णुपाद सुंदर श्री भक्ति वेदांत श्रवण कृष्ण महाराज जी नारायण विष्णु श्रीधर गुरु हरिनाम संकीर्तन नित्यानंद गुरु जी आनंद गौर प्रेमानंदी ओम ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कान्त राधा कान्त नमस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रियम् ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः भक्तावीणापराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम् वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम् वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम् श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So first of all, I offer my humble respectful obeisances unto the feet of my Gurupad Dharma. Nitya-lila Prashtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satyaman Bhakti Vedanta Srivam Vishnu Maharaj and Nitya-lila Prashtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satyaman Bhakti Vedanta Srivam Vishnu Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya-lila Prashtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satyaman Bhakti Vedanta Srivam Maharaj and all senior devotees and all of the universities and take all of my respectful guests. Actual continue, I also discussed the glories of Harinam. Put it in the jewels of the hat. Das Thakur Lila Chaitanya Mahaprabhu preached the glories of Nam Sankirtan through Haridas Thakur. Haridas Dara Nam Mahima Jagati Pracharina. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu preaching the glories of the holy names through Haridas Thakur. All Ved, Puran, Upanishad, everywhere also glorifies Harinam. Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Purna Siddho Nitya Mukto Avinnatvat Nama Nama. Nama Chintamani. Holy names is as like Chintamani. Chintamani means
Touchstone.
yes, touchstone. Actually, Chintamani is just stone. Touchstone and just difference. Touchstone, that is called, if you touch the iron, then iron transferred in gold. That is called Parshamani. That Sanskrit word is Parshamani. Parshamani means touch.
Parshamani.
Parshamani means touch. And that money, if you touch the iron, then iron transferred in gold. The Sanskrit word that is called Parshamani. Chintamani means whatever your desire coming in your mind, chinta, and fulfill all your desires. This is the difference. So Nama Chintamani, holy name is as a Chintamani. And that is called the Sanskrit word that is Chintamani means desire stone. What is your desire will come? Any desire will come, holy names will fulfill all you. Even your material desire will come. What do you want? What do you want in the material world? Wealth, money. What's to come? Who is happy in this material world? If you have lot of wealth of money, dhanam sukham. If your body is free from the all kinds of disease, they will be sick. Happy. That's called niroga. Niroga means no disease in your body. Good health. Understand? So, Nyaya Shastra also explain this way, who is happy? Mahabharata saying another word. Just I tell to you, Nyaya Shastra. Who is happy in this material world? If you have wealth of money, nice car, nice house, lot of bank balance, money, then you will be happy. Or second, if your health is good, no disease, susta sariram, sabala sariram, susta sariram. If your body is very strong body and free from all kinds of disease. Third, if your wife following your instruction, you are happy. Or fourth, if your sons and daughter follow your instruction, you will be happy. This is a niti katha, mundane rules people are saying this. If you have no wealth, money, and if your health is not good, only suffering many kinds of distress and disease, will you be happy? No. If you have no money, also cannot be happy. So Niti Shastra explain you will be happy if you have four things. First, you have money. A lot of money, wealth, money, then you will be happy. Second, if your body is healthy and free from all kinds of disease. And if your health is not good, suffering many kinds of disease, you will not happy. And back pain and what is called? White pain. Many things. Headache, stomach pain, this pain, you will be happy? What is called?
Gallstone.
Gallstone. You're not happy. So saying the Savalam, Sariram, Artham, or your office follow your instruction. That's called Dharma Patni. Understand? If your wife she follows all your instruction, you will be happy. Or fourth, if your sons and daughter follow your instruction, you will be happy. Otherwise not. Eh? This is true. Mundane people, they are thinking these four things. Okay, and I will be happy in my household life in these four things. Eh? This is true. These material people want these things. Eh? If my wife follow my instruction, eh? Okay, that's good. Or if your wife, she does not follow your instruction, you go this way, she goes that way. Eh? If you go east, she wants to go west. Eh? If your daughter going south, or you are going north, that means not following instruction. If your son going this way, you are going also not. So Niti Shastra is actually, I tell you, who is happy in this? No one. Not possible. Your health is always not good. Whose health is good? Tell to me. Who is completely, absolutely free from the disease? Anyone? Have you any disease? What is your problem?
Before I got tuberculosis. Before.
Now?
Asthma.
Asthma. Everybody, because Shastra is saying, idam sarirang satasandhi jarjaram kimam sudhi prichate muramate. Idam sarirang satasandhi jarjaram. This body has thousand joints. And all the joints are giving the pain. Titvaram. And in our body, look, joints everywhere. Not inside anything. Just a two spoon and staying this way. If the students of biology, you can see. There is no the screw, no not bolt, nothing. Just this was ligament inside and this. Ligament inside. And also this is called knee. They have the ligament, that liquid dry, then your pain will come. You cannot sit this way. And spine problem, little bit spine, that there is little bit disc up,
Dislocate.
this, then pain will come. Spondylitis. This is what. Because Shastra saying, idam sariram satasandhi jarjaram. Kimam sadi prichati muramate. Are you foolish person? What medicine do you want to take? You read Bhajan Rasa Gurudev also quoted this one. Idam sariram satasandhi jarjaram. Kimam sadi prichati muramate. Muramate, hey foolish person, what medicine do you take? One problem solved, then 1,000 problems will come. Your back pain has gone, then pain is coming in your this is not possible. So that means our body will never completely also free from the disease. Because our Shastra saying, idam sarirang badhiram mandiram. This body is as like a temple of disease. And in the temple, who is staying? Krishna is staying. But in our body, who is staying? Disease. So Shastra saying, idam sariram satasandhi jarjanam idam sariram badhiram mandiram. Badhi means disease. Disease is our Ishtadeva who resides in the body. Not only one, many kinds of disease. These are two around. And in this body, disease, they are staying. And they are giving always distress, unhappiness, pain. Or another, if your wife follows instruction, sometimes, not always. Maybe if you are lucky, maybe, but not always. Your sons and daughter also not following your instruction. Or you have no money also. Money problem. This. For this regard, Lord, He performs also this Leela. Showing to us, teaching to us. Once Narad Rishi came in Dwarkapuri. Dwarkapuri, you know? Dwarkapuri. Jagannath. Jagannath Dwarka. And Lord Jagannath, Narad Rishi, he saw Lord Jagannath manifested in the form of wooden form. No hands, no legs. You have Jagannath? See or not? No legs, no hands. Only the eyes, dilated eyes. And he's sitting. Then Narad Rishi asked to Lord Krishna, Hey Prabhu, why you manifested this form? Only looking, even though your eyes, ears, Jagannath, no? Ears, no ears, only eyes. And eyes also, not the eyelids. Only 2 eyes as like Rasgulla. Dilated. So Narad Rishi asked, Prabhu, why you manifest this form? That time Krishna told, listen Narad, I am tired with my family's life. Why? What will say to you? Eko striyo dityo mukhara. Eko striyo eko striyo mukhara ditya chanchalacho. Putro meko bhuvana vijoyi. Krishna told, hey Narad Rishi, listen, I am very tired in my family's life. Well, what happened? My 2 wives, Krishna's 2 wives in Dwarkapuri. What is his name? Satyabhama and Lakshmi. Here you go. Jagannath Puri. Mahalakshmi there. So, eko striyo prathama mukhara ditya chanchala cha. Satyabhama, she is very talkative. Then, if you speak 1 word, she will speak 1,000 words. Therefore, they are talkative. Ditya chanchala cha. Lakshmi Devi chanchal. Chanchal means restless. Restless. So for this Mani, one name is called also Lakshmi. Understand? Lakshmi not staying always in your pocket. And sometimes your left pocket, sometimes your right pocket, sometimes your here, or sometimes completely you are done. So Lakshmi is one name is called also money. Artha. How much Lakshmi have you? But Lakshmi how much? Lakshmi chanchala. Chanchala means restless. So saying, ekoi mukhara ditya chanchala cha. Putra mekam bhuvana vijoyi. Krishna told, my son, Kartikeya, very beautiful, and Kamdev, but he is not staying with me. I am very attractive. But he always is traveling, he is going. He is not staying with me. Are today is Sunday, come here, take prasad, and together. No, Father, I am going to somewhere. So putra mekam bhuvana vijayi. And not only this, even my son Abdu, even my bed and my career, they are also quarreling to each other. Who is the bed of Lord? Anantadi,
Ananta
snake.
Yeah, Ananta Shesh.
Says Ananta says snake. Eh? Or my career, who is the career of Lord? Garuda or snake, always is what?
Barley.
Warli. Hey. So I cannot sleep also. Son of Dhu. I am sleeping in the ocean on the back of snake. But my career, Garuda and snake, they are also quarreling to each other. Smaram, smaram. What you say? Now I am completely what? Depth. Because if my ears, then I will listen why they are quarreling. So now no ears. Now I am staying here alone. Lord in this way teaching to us. In this material no one happy also. Who is happy? If you see all the leelas of Lord also, they are not happy. Sometimes we are singing one song about Lord Chaitanya, Vishnu Priya. You know Vishnu Priya?
Lord Chaitanya's wife.
The consort of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the wife of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Vishnu Priya. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he took sannyas. You know. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas and left Navadvip Dham, then Vishnu Priya Devi, she became very upset. That time Vishnu Priya Devi, she told, not this life I am crying and unhappiness. When every yugas I used to come with my husband, Narayan or Krishna, always I am crying. বলে সত্য যুগে ছিলাম আমি সত্য নারায়ণী দুর্বাসার অভিশাপে হলাম বন মর্তবাসিনী. Listen very carefully, Bengali song. Vishnupriya Devi, she told, every yugas when I used to come with my husband from Transcendental World, Guru Vrindavan, I am unhappy in this material and crying. In this material world, this is nature. Everybody will cry. Who is happy? No one. So Vishnupriya Devi, she told, listen, 4 yugas. How many yugas? 4 yugas. Sattva, Treta, Dapar and Kali. So Sattva Yuga, I came with my husband, that is called Sattva Narayan. Durbas Sattva Yuge holami Sattva Narayani, Durbasara Obhisape holam Martavasini. That is behind this story is that once Durvasa Rishi, you know Durvasa Rishi? Who is he? Very powerful Rishi, very angry, Prati Maharaj. Little bit you will fall, then give curse. Very angry. So I am saying angry Maharaj. Angry Maharaj. So once Durvasa Rishi, he came in Vaikuntha Dham. That time Lord Narayan, he was laying on his bed. The bed of snake. And Lakshmi Devi, she was massaging the feet of Lord Narayan. Have you seen that picture? Lakshmi Devi is very gently massaging the feet of Lord Narayan. Durvasa Rishi came. Durvasa Rishi saw, oh, Narayan did not open his door. Then Durvasa became very angry. Then Durvasa Rishi by force broke the door. And he entered. Then he gave curse to Lord Narayan. Hey, Narayan, I am sadhu, I come to your place, or you did not give respectful. Go to material world. Then this way, this Bengali song explains, Satta Joge Silamami Satta Narayani Durbasara Visape Holam Martavasini. By the curse of Durbasa, now I have come in material world, Martalupa. Then this is Sattalupa. Then Satta Treta Ju. Then Treta Joge Holamami Siram Gharani Koi Kere Chalanate Holam Bonabasini. Treta Ju. Then same Narayan, my husband, manifested in the form of Ramachandra. Ramachandra came on. And that time, same Lakshmi, she appeared with Ramachandra in the form of Sita Devi. So say, Treta Juge Holamami Siram Gharani Koi Kere Chalanate Holam Bonabasini. Then Kaikeyi, she made one plan. Then I went to the forest with my husband. This Leela. Sita Devi, she was wandering in the forest with her husband Ramchandra. Ram, Lakshman, Sita Devi. They were also wandering in the forest. And suffering many things also. How many years?
14 years.
14 years in the forest. In Ramayana. And Sita Devi, she was walking. Sita Devi, she was walking in the forest without shoes. Janaka Nandini Sita Devi. Sita Devi, she is the daughter of Janak Maharaj. She is walking in the forest without shoes, barefoot. And so many things. Not only this, 14 years, she is suffering many kinds of distress also. Many demons attacked to her. And finally also, Ravan kidnapped to her. Ravan explained, that is called Sita Haran. Ravan kidnapped Sita. This is the anyhow, again, Ramchandra, he killed Ravana. Then Sita Devi again returned back in Ayodhya. Ramchandra, he became the king of Ayodhya. Sita Devi, she is the queen of Ayodhya. But the residents of Ayodhya, they also criticized to Sita Devi. Oh, Sita Devi, she is unchaste lady. Because she was staying alone in Lanka. For this regard, they also blamed to Sita Devi about her chastity. Then Ramchandra banished to Sita Devi. Raman, understand? And that time Sita Devi, she also pregnant. Where she will go? Then she was staying in the ashram of Valmiki Rishi. And she gave birth to twins, Love and Kush. Very pathetic. And she maintained her two babies, twins baby. If you read, then your heart automatically melt and tears falling down. Sita Devi, she was staying in the forest, in the ashram of Valmiki Rishi. Every day she used to go collect the dry woods and cooking for her two babies also. That time not the ashram, very nice. Now you know. In the forest, small cottage, with the grass, something this, and also collect some dry wood and cook. Now we are cooking what? Gas system, electric gas system, many things. Eh? Not so easy to cook with the dry wood. Understand? I remember when I came in Mathura Math, that I was cooking. Understand? Cooking. That time no gas system, no electric, nothing. And that time wood put in the oven and so much smoke coming. And every day,
Crying.
crying, every day crying. There's so much smoke. Now you are thinking, oh, this is easy now. But I tell you, when I was 30 years and 35 years before when I came in Mathura, I cooked. Listen, with the wood. Sometimes wood is not dry also. Understand? So also so much smoke coming. And very hot. Mathura also is very hot. So just little bit experience you saying, Sita Devi, she was staying in the ashram of Valmiki Rishi. A small two babies, Love and Kusa. Taking care. She is bringing water from the well. Look at this. Small two babies. One baby is 10, two babies have to go into this. Sometimes baby is also running here and there, taking care. Small baby going here and there, taking care. Not only this, also sometimes grains have to, what is called? Grinding. Now you are not grinding anything. You have no idea what is the grinding. Understand? Now you are cooking, everything is what? And paste, masala. What is called?
All spice.
All spice.
All spice.
Spice is completely what? Grinding. Turmeric. Turmeric. Now you are turmeric what? Powder coming. Or when I was in temple, the turmeric that time also not powder. They are not using. Here the dry root and you have to grind it with the stone. Because this is my experience, I am saying to you. Understand? Cumin seed, you have to also grind it. Now no one also not do these things. For this regard, this sabji is not tasteful. Now this just you are taking the, what is called? Cumin seed in the oil. Okay. No. You have to grind. Understand? You grind ginger. Just to grinding, I remember 1 hour need. Understand? When I cook it, about 3 hours need. Because all the ingredients prepared need 1 hour. You are grinding the turmeric. Understand? Turmeric, cumin seed, separate. And also ginger, all masala. You have to grind. Understand? And now they are not nothing. Now also they are not also grinding the ginger. And now also machine also, that is called.
Blender.
Blender. That time nothing. We are doing own hand. And fresh everything. Why I am saying? Because in this way Sita Devi, she also nourishment her to small babies. Love Krishna. And every day also bringing water from the well. Janam Nandini Sita Devi. Her feet is as like petal of the lotus. And now she is walking in the forest every day. She used to go to the well and fetching the water. taking care of her 2 babies. Could you imagine this thing? So she also saying this one. Treta Yuge Chilamami Sirama Garani Koike Chalanate Holam Bono Basini. Treta Yuge finish. Then Dapar Yug. Then Vishnu Priya she told, in this Dapar Yug also I came with my husband Narayan. Then my Dapar Yug, my Narayan manifests in the form of who? Krishna. Yeah, it's very confidential. Then Dapar Yuge Holam Ami Ayana Gharani Sasuri Nanadi Amai Karasik Kalankini. There Jogmaya, she arranged and the Radha Krishna's party above. For this regard, Jogmaya just she arranged Srimati Radhika's marriage ceremony with Ayan Ghosh. Actually did not marry, but just then according to the showing to the others. Yes, Srimati Radhika, she married with Ayan Ghosh.
Abhimanyu?
Ayan Ghosh, Abhimanyu, same name. 2 names. Ayan Ghosh or Abhimanyu, same. But in this song explain it. Dapar Yuge Holam Ami Ayana Gharani Sasuri Nanadi Amai Karal Kalankini. My mother-in-law Jotila and Kutila, they preach I am unchaste. Radha Kalankini, Rai Kalankini. Oh, Srimati Radhika, she is unchaste. Jotila Kutila, they propaganda. Oh, Srimati Radhika, my daughter-in-law Radhika, she is unchaste. Koli Yuge Holamami Gauranga Sangini Bidiro Badsate Holam Janamudukini. Vishnu Priya is saying, now Kali Yuga. Now same my husband Vishnu or Narayan manifested in the form of Chaitanya Gaur Sundar, Gaur Narayan. Or I am his wife. Vishnu Priya. So Vishnu Priya is saying, now my husband, he took sannyas, and now I am alone. Vishnu Priya is singing this one. Bhaja Gauranga, Japa Gauranga, Laha Gaurangero Nam Re. Bhaja Gauranga, Laha Gauranga, Bhaja Gauranga, Japa Gauranga, La Gaurangero Nam Re. Hare je jana Gaura bhaje, se hai amar pran re. You will sing this song. Bhaja Gauranga, Japa Gauranga, Laha Gaurangero Nam Re. Or you chant Gaura Nam. Manare kahana Gaura Katha. Amare Gaurer Nam, Amiyar Dham, Piriti Murati Data. This song is there. Giri Kuchale. Manre Kahana Gaura Katha. Mind, always you glorify about Gaura Katha, the past tense Gaura Katha. Sing. Manre Kahana Gaura Katha. Amare Gaurer Nam, Amiyar Dham, Piriti Murati Data. Hare Sayane Gaura, Sapane Gaura, Gaura Nayaner Tara. Jivane Gaura, Marane Gaura, Gaura Galaro Hara. Hamare Gaura Bolia, Jauka Jivane, Kichu na chahibo yaro. Manre Kahana Gaura Katha. You have this song or no? Manre Kahana Gaura Katha. Oh my mind, always you glorify about Gaura Gatha, the pastimes of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The thing. So Vishnu Priya also sang this song. Bhaja Gauranga, Japa Gauranga, Laha Gaurangera Namre. Bhaja Gauranga, Japa Gauranga, Laha Gaurangera Namre. Gauranam is very sweet. If you chant Gauranam, then you attain to Guru Vrindavan. Jatha Jatha Gaura Padara Bindi, Bindi Dhuvat Kitapunna Punja, Tatha Tatha Sarpi Dhiri Akasmat, Radha Padambujo, Sudhamburasi. If you completely surrender, Sachinandana, lotus feet of Sachinandana Gaur Hari, automatically Radha Prem will manifest in your heart. You want what is Radha Prem? They are saying, Jatha Jatha Gaura Padara Binde, Binde Bhuvat Kritapunna Punja, Tatha Tatha Surpi Hridaya Kasmat, Radha Padambujo, Sudhamburasi. So, always remember to Sachinandana Gaur Hari. Further Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, you worship Radha Krishna, but under guidance of Gaura Sundar and Gauranam. First to worship Gaur Sundar, then worship Radha and Krishna. Understand? Gauru Anigatta Radha Krishna Seva. You worship Radha and Krishna under guidance of Gaur Sundar. Gauriya Vaishnava, this is there. Gaur Sundar. Aradhito Navavanam Vrindavan Evate, Naradhito Navavanam Vrindavan Evadure, Aradhito Dijasuta Brajanagaraste, Naradhito Dijasuta Nataveha Krishna. Aradhito Navavanam. If you worship Navadvip Dham, then very easy to attain Vrindavan Dham. Understand? Aradhito Navavanam, Vrindavan Evate. Naradhito Navavanam. If you not worship Navadvip Dham, you will never attain to Vrindavan. So say, Aradhito Navavanam, Vrindavana Evate, Naradhito Navavanam, Braja. If you not worship Navadvip Dham, never you attain to Vrindavan. Aradhito Dijasuta. If you worship Sachinandana Gaur Hari, then very easy to attain to Krishna, who is the beloved of the gopis. Or Naradhito Dijasuta. If you not worship Sachinandana Gaur Hari, you will never attain to Krishna. So what will you do? Always serve Radha and Krishna under guidance of Sachinandana Gaur Hari. First the Gaur mantra. Then in our mantra, which mantra is it? First Gaur mantra, Gaur Gayatri. Then Krishna mantra, Gopal mantra. Then Kam Gayatri. This is the schedule. Understand? Which mantra is it? First Krishna mantra or Gaur mantra? Gaur mantra. Gaur mantra, Gaur Gayatri. Krishna mantra and Kama Gayatri. So always think how to absorb the Sachinandana Gaur Hari. Especially in this Kali Yuga, Sachinandana Gaur Hari, he will give us prem. Ama bina braja prem nahi anne diti. If you not accept the lotus feet of Sachinandana Gaur Hari, any method, you cannot receive the braja prem. So what will you do? First you shelter lotus feet of Sachinandana Gaur Hari Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is the process. Always remember how to then surrender lotus feet of Sachinandana Gaur Hari. Why? Because Sachinandana Gaur Hari is the embodiment of magnificent and magnanimous. Gaur Krishna naam kare aparadhir vichar, naam loile aparadhir na hoy vikar. Gaur nityanandir nahi ko esab vichar, naam loile prem den bahe usrudhar. Chaitanya Chaitanya. Krishna naam kare aparadhir vichar. If you chant Krishna naam, holy names of Krishna, you have to consider 10 offenses of নাম অপরাধ, হ্যাঁ, নাম অপরাধ বিচার। তো কৃষ্ণ নাম করে অপরাধী বিচার, নাম লইলে অপরাধী না হয় বিচার। Those are offenders, even they chanting holy name, the prey will not manifest in the heart. But Gaur Nityananda nahi ye sab vichar. There are no any consequences. Just to chant Gaura Nam, then Krishna Prem will manifest in the heart. Follow Gaura 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 Bhaja Gauranga Japa Gauranga Bhaja Gauranga Japa Gauranga Hare Laha Gaurange Ranam Re Laha Gaurange Ranam Bhaja Gauranga Japa Gauranga Bhaja Laha Gaurange Ranam Re Laha Gaurange Ranam Hare Ji Jana Gaura Bhaje Se Hai Amar Pran Very nice tie here, or just emulating. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, in the college of the love that gopis attended, as well as the arts that they studied there. Once Krishna, he was herding the cows very close to the bank of the Radha Kunda. Then suddenly Purnamasi Devi came. When Purnamasi Devi came, then Krishna little bit surprised. Because generally Purnamasi Devi, she was not calm in that place. That time Krishna is thinking maybe something happened in Braj. Your Krishna, Purnamasi Devi has come. Then Krishna asked to Purnamasi Devi, "Hey Purnamasi Devi, why have you come here?" Then Purnamasi Devi told, "Hey Krishna, I have come here to see to you." Purnamasi Devi, she is sometimes very eager to take darshan to Krishna. Then Krishna asked Purnamasi Devi, what is the message of the Braj? That means Krishna wants to know about Braj Gopis. How Braj Gopis they are doing, what are doing, they are doing. Then Purnamasi Devi, she told, all the gopis they are happy in their house. But they opened one college in the Braj. Then Krishna became very surprised. Krishna, he knows Braj Vasis, they are very simple persons. Their life is very simple. They are not businessmen. Brajvasis, they are not businessmen. Businessmen. Business, they are doing these. Brajavasis, how they maintain their life? Just some milk, butter, and sponginess with the grains coming in the field. There it is. They are not to selling anything in the market and not buying. No need. Because everybody's house automatically milk, butter, yogurt, everybody's house. And automatically in their field, the grains are coming, wheat, rice coming. There is no need to cultivate these things. So Krishna told Purnamasi Devi, so why school open? You are going to school to learn some knowledge. In the school, how many subjects you are learning? You are reading? How many subjects? Yeah? How many subjects?
8.
Huh?
8 subjects.
8 subjects.
9.
What subject you are reading? Tell to me. I first time know about
Science.
mathematics.
Yeah, smart.
Mathematics, physics, chemistry, maybe English, geography, history, economics. Okay.
Here language also. Language.
Language is good. Maybe some social studies, many subjects. How many subjects? Maybe 10. Okay. But Purnamasi Devi, she told no. In Braj, the gopis, they are studying 5 subjects. How many subjects?
5.
5. 5 subjects there. So Krishna asks, who is the principal? Who is the principal? Principal in the college? Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, she is the principal. Understand? Lolita, Visakha, they are the professor, teacher. Understand this? And who are reading? Who are the students? Gauri Gana Pattate. Here this is. Karnakarnikanam Sakinang Vijanena Duti Stuti Prakriya. Then Poturvan Jura Potuvan Vanchuka Chaturika Gananika Gunanika Prayana Nisi Good and Guruvachika Badidjo Guruvachika Benu Bhajan Utkandita Kisorena Tabadda Krishna Gauri Gana Patthate. Rupa Goswami, this sloka was composed by Rupa Goswami in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. In their how many subjects? 5. 5 subjects they are learning in that college. What are the first 5 subjects? Do you know? That's it. Maybe tomorrow we'll discuss. It's a long time. Tomorrow we'll play again. Karna Kurnigang Sasina Sokinang Vijaneno Duti Stuti Prakriya. And Potur Banchika Chaturjo Gunonika and Kunjo Prayane spelling there. Kunjo Prayane Nisi Kundo Kunjo K-U-N-J G Kunjo Prayane Nisi Badidjo Guru Bajika Benu Birut Utkandhitam Britain Kisoreno Tabadda Krishna Gauri Gana Patthate. Gauri Gana is very tender ages young girls. That is called Gauri Gana Patthate. Not more than 7 or 8 years girls. That is called Gauri Gana Patthate. Just I reading this meaning. O Krishna, today your youth in the role of a guru is teaching the golden gopis how to whisper in each other's ears and how to compose the verse of Paris for messengers and how to cleverly cheat husbands and how to sneak to the forest at night and how to be deaf to the words of elders and how to repeatedly hear the flute sound. A very nice, beautiful explanation. The simple meaning is there. Maybe tomorrow we'll discuss. I gave this also. Once Krishna was herding the cows and Purnamasi Devi went to see him. When she arrived, Krishna became very anxious. Krishna was thinking, why has she come? So Krishna asked, O Purnamasi, is everything auspicious in Braj? She replied, yes, everything is auspicious. Sri Krishna asked, how are the gopis? Then Krishna first direct. Krishna asked to the gopis. Krishna did not ask to others. Krishna direct asked to gopis. Because Krishna so much love and affection with gopis. So I think. Purnamasi Devi replied, oh, they are very happy because they have founded a college in Vrindavan. Established one college in Vrindavan. Krishna told her, in Vrindavan there is no need for any school or college. In Vrindavan, the business of the gopis, gop and gopis to herd and the milk cows, and so make cow dung fatties, and there is no school or college. And college may be in Mathura, because Mathura is called the land of opulence, Vaishnav Bhumi. Mathura, there are many kinds of, and trade center is going on, trade center, business going on. There is Mathura is the center of the Braj. Going this way. If you go to the Gokula, you have to first come in Mathura, then Gokula. If you go to the Vrindavan, then have to come first in Mathura, then go Vrindavan. The Mathura is called the trade center. Trade center. India. So Krishna is thinking Mathura is the land of opulence, Vaishnav Bhumi. Vrindavan is the land of laden with the sweet rose, that is called Rasamadhurya Bhumi. Where there is an abundance of rasas, there is no need for any knowledge. They have no need to knowledge of the other subjects. Brajavasis, they are very simple. Just they are herding the cows and milk, yogurt coming. And simple way, there are all kinds of grains coming in the field. There are no need to plowing these things. Here people also plowing with the tractor. But before he was plowing with the cows. Bull. So Vrindavan, there is no need also these things. No one also cultivate the field. The simple way, everything is automatically growing up. So many fertilizers in Vrindavan. The earth of Vrindavan, transcendental also. And automatically wheats, rice, automatically growing. Many kinds of fruits also coming. Understand these? Vrindavan, no one need to cultivate the fruits or wheat or rice, no need. It was Chintamani. Just they want, automatically you are giving. Bhumi Chintamani Ganomayam Twayam Amritam Katha Ganam Nattam Nattam Gamanamapi Vamsi Priya Sakhi. Brahma Samhita also. Bhumi Chintamani, the land of Vrindavan is Chintamani. Whatever they need, automatically you are coming out. They have need rice, wheat, automatically you are coming. So no need to cultivate. So Bhumi Chintamani Ganamayam Toyam Amritam. Their water is as like sweet nectar. Katha Ganam. When the Brajavasis, they speak to each other, very sweet melody coming. Govinda Damo Daramadhaveti Govinda Damo Daramadhaveti Govinda Damo Daramadhaveti Govinda Damo Daramadhaveti Krishna He Jadava He Sakheti Govinda Damo Daramadhaveti. Katha Ganam Nattam Gamanopi. When they walk, as like that dancing pose. Bharatanatyam Kala, Indian, what is called? Bharatanatyam Kala? Indian folk dance.
Kathakali.
Dance. Bharat, what is called? Indian folk dance. You know folk dance? Indian folk dance? People are going to learning the dance. Understand? Here people are not dancing.
Folk dance. Folk dance.
They are going to what is called Odisha dance. Odisha dance. No, here. Philippines, there is no dancing. Other countries they are going to Odisha, Jagannath Puri. They are expert to dance.
Dance. Zumba dance. Zumba dance.
Yeah, Zumba dance. This is nothing. Zumba dance, this is not the pattern. So people are going to Jagannath Puri, Bhubaneswar, or going to south also, and learning that dance. Very famous. Yeah, this is called Zumba. Chinese dance maybe. Yeah, Chinese people they are dancing. But if you go India, you can see. Very nice. So I am saying, Katha Ganam Nattam Gavanopi Bangsi Priya Sakhi. And the flute of Krishna as like the messenger. When Krishna plays the flute, and all the gopis come. Because Vrindavan, they are simple life. And Jogmasi also arrange everything for their maintaining their life. They no need to cultivate the land, farming, nothing. Whatever they need, the Vrindavan, and the earth automatically giving. Our Rupa Goswami Pad Laghu Bhagavatam also explained this. There are trees, that is called DJ trees also. Chinta mani pragara sadmasu kalpa vriksha laksha britesu suravira palayantam lakshmi satasahasra sambramam sevamanam govindam adi purusam tamaham bhajami govindam adi purusam tamaham bhajami. Chintamani prakata sadmasu. All the houses of Vrindavan built with the Chintamani. Chintamani prakata sadmasu. Kalpa vriksha. All the trees of Vrindavan, that is called whistling trees. Chintamani prakata sadmasu. Kalpa vriksha. Laksha britisu surabhi ravi palayantam. All the cows, they are called surabhi cows. That is called Kamadhenu. All you deserve to go. Lakshmi Sahasra Sambrama Siddhamanam. All the consort of Lord Narayan in Vaikuntha Dham. They every day used to come in Vrindavan and they also sweep, taking one broom and broom. Jayati te odikan janmana braja srayata indira shastra atrahi daita dikchatang dikchutabaka taidita sava twang vichinnate sarvadadu dasai sadhu jata se sarojasi jodare srimushadrisa Suratanatate Sulkadasika Varadanignato Nehakim Vadam Gopili. Jayati te adhikam janmana braja. Srayata Indira. Indira means all the Lakshmis. Srayata Indira. All the Lakshmis of Vaikuntha they used to come and they also cleaning the Dham of Vrindavan. Vrindavan not an ordinary Dham. Brahma, Shiva, Narada, Lakshmis, all they are hankering how to stay in Vrindavan. Why I am saying? Because they are also explained this way. They are in Vrindavan transcendental Bhumi and Chinmay Bhumi. So no need to cultivate anything. There are trees. and automatically giving whatever need. You have need cloth. Huh? But the trees automatically what? Give the cloth. Huh? Leader. The Goswami Path explaining this. Because whatever need, whatever desire coming, and the trees of Vrindavan will give everything. And so for this regard, here Rupa Goswami Path explained this way. And the college may be in Mathura because Mathura is the land of opulence, Aishwarya Bhumi, and Vrindavan is the land of Madhurya, sweetness, rasa. So there is no need to the college. Who is going to the college in Vrindavan? So Krishna became very surprised. Why gopis? They also opened the college. And what they are reading in the college? What they are learning in the college? Then coming and tomorrow we will discuss more. Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai, Jai Sri Ram. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Have you any question?
Question na?
You want question? Maybe tomorrow. Who has question? Tomorrow. Huh?
Haribo.
How many people are watching?